This is the Burmese python, the coolest snake on the planet. Picture this, strolling around town with a snake as your best bud. But not just any snake. These pythons are the epitome of cool in the snake kingdom. They're rulers in the wild, top of the food chain, yet you can actually have a sleepover with them. Well, almost. But hey, pump the brakes. Being besties with a python? Not a walk in the park. These dudes can stretch longer than your school bus. Imagine teaching one to park a car. Nope, not happening. They're like egg-laying masters. Imagine making 36 eggs in one go. Breakfast for days, right? Except don't count on them for your morning omelets. And get this, they're not just here for a quick hangout. Nope, these snake buddies stick around for a solid 25 to 30 years. That's longer than a lot of stuff in life. Here's the kicker. When these ginormous snakes get the VIP treatment, they're as snuggly as kittens. But having a snake the size of your couch? It's like having your own personal dragon, seriously. So you're tempted to grab one of these amazing buddies? Totally cool. Just remember, it's like having a BFF covered in scales. Loads of care needed. They might not send you texts, but they're totally worth the effort. 'Cause, you know, they're snakes.